Let's move on then. The Government of India has granted Navratna status to IRCTC. Mangalam caught up with Mr. Sanjay Kumar Jain, the CMD of IRCTC, to understand demand trends and what does this achievement mean for the company. Let's listen in.
Grant of Navratna status indicates the performance and efficiency of the company over a period of time. Now, with the what does it mean if a company is granted a Navratna status? Is that its financial and operational autonomy is enhanced, and the board of directors are empowered to invest up to 1,000 crore or 15% of the net worth in a project. So that's how the autonomy which is granted through this status helps the board of directors to take quick decisions which is in benefit to the company and the investors.
All right. Let's ask you about, the fourth quarter itself, because the fourth quarter passenger traffic was fairly high given the Kumbh Mela. And, what's your average daily bookings been in the fourth quarter so far? How does that compare with the earlier quarters?
You see, we have a seasonal business. So whatever happening in this quarter, booking is done 60 days in advance. So our performance quarter on quarter differ based on the in which quarter we are working. But yes, I am happy to tell you that we have got highest ever booking this month on a particular day, which is more than 15,50,000 ticket booking in a day.
What about the expectations from the payment aggregator license that you had gotten from the RBI? What is the kind of scope of operations? How can that improve your ticketing margins going forward?
You see, we are doing this I-payment only for our internal customer of IRCTC. And we have already set up a subsidiary for getting a payment aggregator license from RBI, and we have applied for it and we are waiting for the in-principle approval by them. And but natural, our performance, if you see in this business, we are doing excellently well when we book tickets, railway tickets. We are number one, even better than many known payment aggregators. In web booking and in mobile booking, we are number two. Around 22% of total booking is happening through our payment gateway at the moment. Once we get the license, it can open up this business for us. In open market also, we can approach many government agencies and private agencies for enhancing our business. So, but it all depends on our getting the license from RBI.
What about tourism? I'm looking at Bharat Gaurav trains that saw revenue jump from 28 crores in the third quarter FY24 to 65 crores in third quarter FY25. What's the outlook for FY26?
You see, in Q2 we have, when it was dipping, we told that we have certain plan, and plan will be implemented in a very nice way, and we are very confident that time also, through your channel also, that time I told it, and I'm very hopeful to get even very better results. You see, we have taken one more rake of Bharat Gaurav train because of this increase in business.
All right. And what about, catering business? The margins out there dipped from 15% to 12%. How do you plan to restore profitability? What kind of margin and revenue growth guidance can you give in the catering business?
You see, we have to improve the volume and overall revenue. And catering, we are in the spectrum of providing catering to rail passengers, where we are satisfied with not charging very huge profit or from them to make a reasonable meals available to them. That is our idea. So we are seeing that the rail spectrum as such, there is a huge opportunity in railway. New trains are going to come. DFC is releasing capacity for introducing more number of trains. So that's how we are more keen in capturing this market with a reasonable profit.
What about, the partnerships with Swiggy and Zomato? Are we looking at more stations being added on this e-catering business? What proportion of your catering revenues now come in from these e-catering services that you give? Is this better margins for you?
You see, there also we are working on a margin of around 15%. And because ultimately who pays? This is the customer which pays. And I'm happy to tell that because of adding all these aggregators, this last 2 months we are seeing every day meal booking is more than 1 lakh per day. And I am satisfied with the reasonable margin up to 15%.